Welcome to the farm. Whoa, this place is massive. You know, Roy, I think we could probably stay here. At least until Lemmy recovers, of course. I still have a bad feeling about this place, chump. Hello! Lemmy, this must be your brothers. Anyways, I'm Herschel and welcome to the farm. We're so glad to have you guys here. Nice to be here too. Nice to meet you, Herschel. What a lovely farm you have here. Anything you need us to do or any rules here? Like, any rooms that we can't enter? Well, there's one rule, and I'll show you guys. Alright, follow me. Alright, sounds good. Still have a bad feeling about this place, chump. The only thing you can't do here is open up the barn. That barn, can't even tell you about it. Just don't open, okay? Alright, Herschel, sounds good. We won't open it. Anyways, can you, heal Lemmy? Can I heal Lemmy? That's a silly question. Of course I can. Man, I already healed him. So you guys should be all good to go here. Could we, stay a couple more days? Yeah, sure, why not? Thank you, Herschel. Looks like we have a place to stay. Yeah! I heard new voices on the farm. Oh! Roy? I missed you. I didn't think you'd be alive. Nice to see you too, Pom Pom. Hello? Cool Brains? I didn't know you guys were here. We're out of baking soda. Guys, nice to see you. Wow, looks like we have a whole farm crew. That's cool. Anyways, any jobs for us to do, Herschel? I mean, not for today. Just get settled in, you know? And I'll let you guys know what to do tomorrow. Huh? Why you staring at us, huh, chump? Diddy Kong? Ooh. Nice to see you, Roy. Why you staring at us, chump? Why the hell you staring at us?
Because there's no reason for me to stare at you. You know? So stop convincing me. Stop telling me that I'm being a creep, okay? Or I'll kick you and I'll kill you. This is the zombie apocalypse. There's no cops around. Woohoo! You wanna fight, huh, little boy?
Who names the kid Diddy, chump?
Oh, I'm gonna kill you!
Not before I do it first. Hey, hurt our people and we will kick you out. Here on. That's what I thought.
Whoa.
Trust was horrid. Alright, Herschel. Did we do good?
No, you did great. Alright, I think it's time for you guys to get some rest.
Alright, thanks, Herschel. Nice working with you. See you in the morning.
Stupid Diddy Kong.